Hello guys, today I will compare in between Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code, which is the best text editing software in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Sublime Text is renowned for its speed and efficiency. Its lightweight design ensures rapid startup times and a responsive typing experience, making it ideal for developers who prioritize performance. The editor's simplicity, combined with powerful features like multiple cursors and a robust command palette, offers a distraction-free environment. On the other hand, Visual Studio Code has evolved into a comprehensive development environment. It boasts an extensive extension marketplace, integrated terminal, and built-in Git support. Features like IntelliSense provide intelligent code completions, enhancing productivity. While it may consume more resources than Sublime Text, its versatility and feature set cater to a wide range of development needs. In summary, Sublime Text offers a minimalist, high-performance experience suitable for quick edits and lightweight projects. Visual Studio Code provides a feature-rich environment, accommodating complex development workflows. The choice between the two depends on individual preferences and project requirements.